M.Sc Data Science program designed to meet the requirement of industry and data professionals. Data science is one of the fastest growing career field in the domain of IT, marketing, finance, research, where we are using data science a lot. This program provides a strong foundation of mathematics, statistics, programming with Python, machine learning and artificial intelligence. In this program, a student gets real life exposure through the case study, problem solving and analytical skills. A student can pursue their career in the domain of data science, business analytics, machine learning engineer, data engineer or data analytics.